Pan India's Nari Shakti session on third day of Navratri. And today's goddess is Chandraghata. The third day of Navratri is of goddess Chandraghata. She is fierce, 10-armed goddess with a crescent moon on her forehead, which gives her name Chandraghata. She rides on a tiger to destroy all evil and wicked. So we start with it, and today's guest is Sonia. Welcome, Sonia.
Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Sonia comes with 16 plus years of experience in marketing. Her passion to serve people and spreading smiles triggered the creation of Connecting Smiles Foundation. So, will you like to start with first with Each One Feed One, Sonia? First, let us know why Each One Feed One, how it started.
Yeah, sure. Each One Feed One actually was a WhatsApp group that we started when the pandemic started. It was started on the second day of the lockdown on March 2020. We all were fortunate enough to sit at home and have everything that we wanted, but there were lots of people on the roads who don't have even food to eat. And food, I think, is not a luxury. It is something that everybody should have. Bhukha to koi bhi nahi sona chahiye. So we
Correct.
thought that we will start this movement, and people started joining in. And we didn't knew that this group, which was started by two girls, Nupur and me, would become a revolution. That people across Bangalore would join us, and we were able
Wow.
to serve 2 lakh meals up till now, the cooked meals, and 35,000 ration kits to the people.
Superb.
So that's how Each One Feed One is been working, and we will work on our mission to eradicate hunger.
Okay. So, why did you gave it a name as Each One Feed One?
That's a philosophy that I believe in. That if
Okay.
even one person can take care of one more person, then the world would become a much better place to live in. Everybody would have a meal on their plate.
Okay. And from Each One Feed One, how was the journey towards Connecting Smiles Foundation?
It was a wonderful journey. I met beautiful souls like you, Sejal, and a lot of other people who joined me in my revolution, who joined me, and the blessings of my parents, my ancestors, everything was there. Everything was just working out so beautifully that I never had a problem. Whenever we
Hmm.
wanted to take up something, whenever a group approached us and we wanted to serve them, we were able
Hmm.
to do that. So
That's
it
great.
has been a beautiful journey, and connecting smiles, as the name says, we want to just
Hmm.
spread the smiles across.
Hmm.
So that's what, as in, it I can't even express the journey in words. It's been such a wonderful experience. I have met so many people. जहाँ- ऐसा बोला जाता है that pandemic is the worst time that we have seen. But maybe I have lost my parents during this time. So it was a
Oh,
worst time for me as well because I lost both of them.
oh, oh,
But
so sorry.
uh, that didn't stop us. Their blessings were there and they wanted us to continue with our work. And we were doing it. मुझे इतने सारे अच्छे लोग मिले that I
Hmm.
can't even express. They were ready to
Hmm.
help selflessly. They were
Hmm.
ground volunteers who were ready to risk their life, go
Hmm.
and serve on the ground. They were donors
Hmm.
who were, I didn't had a registration in place. There was no ATG being given to them, no tax exemptions. And
Hmm.
we were like individuals. It's only the trust that we were working upon. We never,
Hmm.
uh, everything was so transparent that we created. And the
Hmm.
food just reached to the right people at the right time. We were
Hmm.
there with the migrants of Bangalore, and we also started with the Bombay chapter during that period.
Oh, okay.
There I was working with Feeding India at that time. But
Okay.
we were there in the whole journey, starting from when the lockdown started and they had nothing to eat and their
Hmm.
jobs were lost, kids were not having anything, till the
Hmm.
time they reached to the buses and the trains to go back to the native places. We served them.
Oh,
And I feel so
great.
lucky to be a part of this journey.
Hmm. And I think even the strangers came to help. I don't think
Yes.
anybody was asking whether
No
you know
stranger.
me or
I
not,
didn't
but
know
whenever we
anyone.
asked for help, even strangers were ready to help us.
Yes. Your When India founder Sejal, she was a stranger to me, but now she is one of the dearest friend. As in, she offered me help selflessly, I would say.
Mm.
As in, I would have not met a person as beautiful as her. She's a beautiful
That's so
soul and a
nice to
very
hear. So, and how do you provide help? I mean, if someone approaches you, what is the procedure? How do, or you inquire them, or they put an inquiry to you? How do it work? How does it work?
See, when we started, भूख का कोई religion नहीं होता, कोई gender नहीं होता, भूख सबको
Mm.
लगती है. And it's not
Mm.
right for us. At that time, it was not right to inquire. When somebody
Mm.
was calling, we
Mm.
were trying to help them out. क्योंकि
Mm.
we believe that it's very hard to ask for food. It is a basic
Mm.
necessity.
Mm.
Everybody wants to give food to their children. It is very hard to be in the line and beg for food. It's not
Mm.
easy. If somebody is asking, the need must 99% the need is genuine. Only 1% of the cases we have seen where the
Mm.
need wasn't genuine. So
Mm.
we give the benefit of doubt to all during this period at least. And
Mm.
wherever we get a call, we try and provide food. But now we have started visiting places as well where we've been serving food.
Okay, in
This
2021.
is actually a long journey now. We are gonna be hand holding them for a longer time.
Mm.
So we need to know everything about the people staying in those communities. So we are making physical inquiries. Now we are doing that.
Mm.
But that wasn't the time to make any inquiry, so we didn't do. हाँ, जहाँ से भी phone आता था, we used to make sure that हम खाना पहुँचा पाएँ. Yes, that was the mission that we were working upon.
I totally agree on that because sometimes there was one family, not one, I will say, few more were there. But first one which asked for our help, and we said we can, you can send your address and we will deliver the ration kit. दे सेड नहीं हम लोग अपार्टमेंट में रहते हैं अगर आप राशन किट भेजेंगे तो नेबर्स को पता चल जाएगा दैट माय फैमिली इज स्ट्रगलिंग सो यू बेटर कॉल मी एट सम डिफरेंट प्लेस एंड आई विल कलेक्ट इट फ्रॉम देयर and I was like even if they need help they are not able to say
Without
it.
asking. That's what I'm saying. It's not
Hmm.
easy to ask for.
It's not easy.
बहुत
Hmm.
मुश्किल होता है.
Hmm.
Especially, I've seen the pain in the eyes of the women. They are the
Hmm.
one who are standing in the lines and taking food. You will never find, there were just 15-20% men. 80,
Oh.
85% of the women standing in line and taking food because they can't see their children sleeping hungry. उनके लिए
Hmm.
वो बहुत important है कि उनका बच्चा पेट भर के
Hmm.
खाए.
And lady is the
There was
Annapurna, so she is
absolutely,
supposed to
and
feed.
there were times जब छोटे बच्चों के लिए फोन आता था कि दूध नहीं है पिलाने को. So we
Oh.
started serving them milk packets. Just started sending milk packets for them. It was the
Okay.
worst of the times that our country has seen, and the best of the people have come forward for their support.
Yes, totally agree to it.
Yes.
So many faces which we never knew now they are in our good friends list, and some of them just came up as an angel. They helped and they just moved on. We are not even in
Moved on.
contact, but when needed, they really helped
They're
and then they
always
moved
there.
on.
Yes,
Yes.
they're always there.
Yes. But now in current situation, if I'll say, like you are also helping when India is also helping, one thing what we have seen is if we are helping, there are more people who ask for help. And
True.
sometimes we feel like we are not able to cater all.
Hmm.
Or are you still able to help everyone? How are you
See,
managing the demands? Because we have seen the more we help, the more demands arises. Because people
that's so
know
true.
that we are helping.
That's so true. There is more demand, no doubt about that.
Uh,
We'll never be able to serve everybody. We can just do
mm,
our bit and move on.
mm,
Because we've been supporting the voiceless as well. Because
mm,
they were also people who were struggling. Since the hotels were not there, people were not there on the roads. Even the dogs and the
mm,
cats, the cows, they were not having. It's not possible for us to give food to everybody, Vandita, but we can do what we can do. At least we can
mm,
do our bit to make a little bit of difference in their lives so that they
mm,
know that there is somebody who thinks about them, somebody who cares about them.
mm,
Otherwise, the situation would have been worst. अगर आपके जैसे लोग नहीं आते बाहर उस टाइम पे लोगों को हेल्प
Hmm.
करने के लिए, तो
Hmm.
ये सिचुएशन और भी बड़ी क्राइसिस में चेंज हो सकती थी. So this is
Correct.
because the people like you and a lot of other people, the angels who have come forward, has made this
Hmm.
difference.
Hmm. And I totally agree about the voiceless also, because my friend, my husband and his few friends of his are feeding the dogs. I think since the lockdown started,
Yeah,
those stray dogs were so hungry because there was nobody in the offices. So
true.
now those 10, 11 stray dogs are like our family only. And every day my husband is still feeding them. So from half kilometer from my house only, they will keep on wagging the tail that, okay, the food is coming or somebody,
Food
no one
is
is
coming.
there.
Yes,
So,
that is so true. There are so many angels who help them as well, help these animals as well, and it was
yes,
required. It was
yes,
required.
yes, it was, it was. So, what keeps you motivated? It's the satisfaction that you get from helping the people, or is there any more reasons to it?
It's the smile on their face that I have when I see them eating a full meal.
Okay.
There's nothing which could be more beautiful than a child having a food and smiling. It's a most
Yes.
beautiful sight, I would say. It's always anyway, anytime been. I've seen the sabu. I cannot see a more beautiful sight than this. Because I was
True.
working with government schools before this. We were doing a breakfast program for the government schools when
Okay.
before this pandemic started. So I used to love, as in that was my thing that kids come to school because of this midday meal. So
Hmm.
if somebody can serve them breakfast before this midday meal,
Hmm.
they would put in more energies towards their studies because
Hmm.
khali पेट कभी पढ़ाई नहीं होती है.
Hmm.
Right. So I used to love children eating and smiling, and even the attendance was improving while we were
Hmm.
serving them breakfast.
Hmm.
So these smiles have always motivated me to move ahead in life, and this is one of the thing that Connecting Smiles Foundation is being started.
Hmm. And that's why the name, and that's how the name came up to
Yes,
it.
yes,
Yeah. It was not that difficult to guess the name, to
yes,
think
it
about a
wasn't.
name. Okay. So, what do you think, or why do you change your career? You were in marketing, as you said. So, is it
Yes.
like you are still continuing with it, and this is a parallel thing going on?
No, no, no. This is what I'm doing now. I am living my passion now. I'm not
Okay.
doing anything else. This
Okay. So
Connecting
you are
Smile
doing a
Foundation.
lot of things right now. You are helping a lot of people. So you cannot say you are not doing anything else. You are helping a
Yeah,
lot of families right now.
we are doing what we can do for sure.
Yes. Yes. What do you think with this change, what you have chosen to do has
Mhm.
changed in you? Each one feed one or connecting a smile is, has it changed you as a person or something in you in uh,
It has transformed me as a person, I would say. I'm
mhm,
more empathetic. I can relate to people more. I'm more
mhm,
passionate. I'm more
mhm,
caring. I really want to share for what I have. And I'm
mhm,
least now, more I meet these people, the less is my interest in the materialistic things of the world.
mhm,
So I really want that everybody, it's not that कि सबको खाना मिलना ही चाहिए ये हमारा अधिकार है, as in we should get it. So this is something, this each one feed one has, and this connecting scan has given me a mission for my life. So now I have a goal to look at. um, Anytime, and the goals of monetary goals that you set up for you when you're working in a corporate career is a different, it's very different than the goals that when you set up when you come into the service that you're doing for the people. So this give you the meaningful life, I believe. It's a more
I
meaningful
truly
goal.
agree.
Yeah.
That's a very different feeling when we are able to help people and the satisfaction what we see on their face.
Yeah.
They are happy, their happiness, that gives a immense satisfaction to us as well.
But we are able to do this because a lot of people are working on other things. and they are funding us to help them out. So you
That
guys
is also
continue
correct.
on doing what you're doing, and we'll continue with this.
Uh, the
Right?
satisfaction needed by you, we will be helping you. Connecting Smile will be helping you to get that. Rest, you guys
Yes.
can continue.
Rest you guys can continue doing your work and earning a lot of money to help these people.
Yes. So, is there anything like what you feel that you are in marketing field and you are in connecting Smile? So, did your background help you in connecting to the people, or you were already in contact because of your career? Was it easy
Uh,
to connect with people because of it?
Yes, it's not that difficult because I have been into this. I have been into branding, marketing, sales. So connecting to the people is not that tough for me for sure. But yes, it has
Hmm.
its own challenges when you're going to sell a product and when you're going to ask for funding. So these are two very different things. So
Hmm.
everything has its own challenges. So we are going through our challenges at the moment.
Hmm. And what will you like to tell to young women who are starting work, and what should they know when they start their career?
It's a beautiful word.
Hmm.
Always start with a positive note in your mind that I am starting with something beautiful. And all the people, just think that all the people around are going to help me out.
Hmm.
Because you're starting, be a learner. Don't think that you know everything because you're just starting. Be a
Hmm.
learner. Don't miss out a single opportunity to learn.
Hmm.
Take out the responsibility of all the things, as in you should take a lot of responsibility that comes your way. Don't hesitate in taking up any job. No job is small. And at
Hmm.
the same time, you should accept the criticism. Own your mistakes. If you're making a mistake, then don't hide away, don't escape. This will make you a much better person.
Hmm.
Another thing that I would say is that you have to be a team player.
Hmm.
Be independent, tell them, put up your opinion, but at the same time be a good team player, because it's very important to work in a team. When you work in a team, the energies just gets multiplied and the results are awesome. So the champ akela chana bhar nahi phod sakta. That's true. You need people around you to work. So be a good team player.
Hmm.
And rest, I would say, go with the positive attitude, and the world is yours. Nobody can stop
Hmm.
you.
Hmm. I think I totally agree to it that once we are starting anything new, maybe at whatever age we start, we should have an open mind of acceptance. The new
Yeah, that's
challenges and the new things, whatever comes, we have to keep it open and accept it. And then only we can move on further.
yes, yes.
So,
You have to be a learner all throughout your life.
yes. So, what change do you think are still needed in the society to make it a safe place for women to work?
Uh, I would say we ourselves has to be our own guards to make it a safe place. As in, we as a women, first we should know how to protect ourselves in all the places, whether it's our home, whether it's our corporate world, whether it's anytime we are moving around in the marketplace, anywhere. No, we should know how to protect ourselves first. Because भगवान भी उन्हीं की मदद करता है जो अपनी मदद खुद करते हैं पहले. You should not show that you are an abla nari and anybody can come and take you for granted. So stand up for yourself, I would say. And then as women, you should start training your boys. When you have boys, if you're a mother to a boy, start training them to respect women in all walks of life. Your mother, your wife, your colleague, anybody. You are the first teacher to those boys, to train them, to your girls, to give it back to anybody who gives it to you.
Hmm.
So you have to be strong enough to protect
Hmm.
yourself first, and then yes, then other things the corporates and government should look into, definitely, to make it a much better place for women, so that it's much more safer for us to move around and work. Then
Hmm.
only you would see more women coming on to work, not taking long breaks from work. It should be like to responsibility, and there should be a sharing of responsibilities as well, right?
Hmm.
Then you think it would become a much more competitive world for the woman to work. Right.
But sharing of responsibility, I think that also a woman only has to teach to the kids.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
generally,
Absolutely.
what we have seen is that a woman keeps on working and then they think that, okay, my son will learn it.
No,
Or
you
daughter
have to
will learn
teach
it.
it.
We have
You
to
have
set
to
an
teach
example.
it.
We have to do the things. So they, and because when we teach, they will not learn. But when we do it, they definitely observe us, and they learn more
Absolutely.
when they observe.
They will do what you will do. They will learn it
Yeah.
automatically. They are your mirror
Yes.
image somehow.
Mm.
But start teaching them at the right age.
Yes. Whatever you want to teach them, you better start doing it at home.
Yes.
So then it
Yes.
opens up their mind. Yes, this that is how they are going to observe. So, in your past 1.5 years of journey of Each One Feed One and Connecting Smiles, is there any incident you will like to share with our viewers? Good, bad, sad, whatever. If
There
anything is
are
there, anything which you feel, if you want to share.
there are a lot of incidents.
Okay.
Good, I know there are a lot of angels who have come in my life.
Hmm.
And that, of course, the people were hungry on the streets. There are calls
Hmm.
that we've received
Hmm.
wherein people are telling us कि मैडम 3 दिन से खाना नहीं खाया, 5 दिन से खाना नहीं खाया, बच्चा भूखा है. So yes, these are the sad incidents. It should not
Hmm.
happen to anybody in our society. आप अगर बाहर निकलो, आपको लगे, you should always carry something with you. If you feel somebody is hungry, please give them a packet of biscuit. Have that in your car, make it a habit. Hunger is
Hmm.
something which is ये सबसे बड़ा पैंडेमिक है.
Hmm.
कोविड
Hmm.
से भी बड़ा.
Hmm.
We should try and actually everybody should try and contribute to end this, and we can do that. I believe we can do this. If we all think that we want to feed somebody, we can do that. हम बाहर निकलते हैं तो हमें बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे मिलते हैं. हम रियलाइज भी करते हैं पर हम कर नहीं पाते उस टाइम पे. हमें लगता है हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पर हम कुछ ना कुछ तो जरूर कर सकते हैं. जैसे
Definitely, I totally agree. Like Sonia said, ki carry a packet of biscuit or something in your car. Now, as the weather is changing, winters are coming. If you have some old blankets or something, or bed sheets or something, you can carry that also in car. If anybody needs it, you can
yes,
give that
why not?
also.
Yes, yes.
Because the weather is changing, we can take care of that also. So yes, Sonia, is there any woman who inspires you? And if yes, then why?
My inspiration is Mother Teresa, actually. I believe in her saying, if you cannot feed 100 people, then feed one. So this is the motto of my life as well. अगर हम 100 लोगों की जिंदगी नहीं बदल सकते तो सिर्फ एक की तो बदलने की कोशिश करनी ही चाहिए. She
Hmm.
was such a selfless worker. She's worked for
Hmm.
thousands of lives. कितनी सारी जिंदगियां
Hmm.
उन्होंने बदली होंगी, but कभी
Hmm.
किसी चीज का क्रेडिट नहीं लिया. So
Hmm.
I really look up to her. I really admire her. She is my inspiration, and she is an inspiration behind Connecting Smiles Foundation as well.
Wow. So, do you have any message for our viewers today, Sonia?
Um, since yeah, this you're asking of a message. I don't have a message from my side, but I really have a small poem that I wanted to share with you all about the smiles.
Sure.
Which is like, smiling is infectious. You catch it like a flu. When someone smiled at me today, I started smiling too. So if you feel a smile begin, don't leave it undetected. Let's start an epidemic quick and get the world infected.
Wow.
So smile is something infectious, and keep spreading the smiles, and you would find the world to be a much better place to live in.
Thank you so much, Sonia, for joining us today. It was wonderful talking to you. And
Thank you so much, Vandita, for having me.
I'm sure not one, but many people would have seen and got inspired from you. So it will be each one feed more than one,
Thank
hopefully.
you so much.
And
Yes, we will. So
and to
anybody who
viewers,
wants to
yeah.
connect to us can connect to us on our website, connectingsmilesfoundation.org.
Yes, and we will be posting that link in the comment section of the video also, so anybody
Great.
can go to the website also.
Great.
And thank you everyone for joining us today. We will be back tomorrow at 4 p.m. with Vani Sharma. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.